Hello and welcome back. Today we will massage our face that has not been massaged for a long time. Start with massaging your eyebrows. This massage technique of pinching and kneading the area around the eyebrows and eye socket relieves tension, reduces puffiness, improves circulation and stimulates lymph drainage. It can help with fine lines and wrinkles to some extent. Gentle pinching between the thumb and index finger at the top and bottom of the eyebrows, kneading movements along the eyebrow bone and surrounding skin. Apply pressure to the specific points around the eyes and brows. Make a fist. Now using the back of your thumb, massage the forehead like this. It helps relieve tension, headaches, and reduces the appearance of forehead lines. Forehead massage can increase blood flow to the skin and muscles, which can improve skin health. This massage relaxes the muscles responsible for the formation of wrinkles and lines on the forehead. Now gently pinch the skin between your thumb and index finger, move downward. Start from the corner of your eyes to the corner of your mouth. Pinching stimulates blood flow, potentially bringing a glow to the skin and delivering oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. The rhythmic pinching can help to stimulate collagen and elastin production, slowly reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin firmness. Enhances flow of lymphatic fluid, reducing puffiness and promoting detoxification. Always use gentle pressure and avoid pulling or twisting too forcefully, as this can cause discomfort or damage the skin. As we stop caring about our face, it becomes prone to poor skin quality, goes through swelling, drooping, and as we age, the muscles holding on to the bones start to weaken, resulting to broader looking face. So today we will work on bringing back the shape of our face and be consistent with face massages, face yoga, and maintain a healthy lifestyle, because every time is a good time to start. Now place your fingertips below the cheekbones and glide down. As you go down, slowly drop your jaw, look up for more effective results. When you stretch your jaw down and glide like this, it strengthens the muscles and eliminates the jowl formation. Press the inner corner of the cheekbones. This is the first acupressure point. Move to the middle and second acupressure point from here and towards the ear to the third acupressure point. Repeat. Hold on for a few seconds at each point and repeat. Now use your three fingers, lift a little and hold on under the cheekbones like this. Release and repeat. It helps to lift and define cheekbones by improving circulation, stimulating lymphatic drainage, and potentially toning facial muscles. Increases the blood flow and reduces puffiness, stimulates the lymphatic system, which helps to remove toxins. Now use your knuckles to massage your cheeks. Start from the cheekbones to the jawline. As you go down, slowly drop your jaw and repeat. Working from the top near the cheekbone down towards the jawline, you can gradually increase pressure as needed, but avoid if any pain occurs. The platysma muscle, which extends from the neck to the corner of the mouth, can stretch and pull the skin downward, contributing to jowl formation. Now gently pinch the skin between your thumb and index finger, then move up As you continue to do so, move your thumb and index finger up and out towards your ears, and then repeat. Shaping up the jawline reduces the double chin. Place your thumb in front of your ears and make a hook with your index finger. Place on the cheekbones, close to the nose, grabbing the cheekbones. Inhale and drop your head as you exhale. Keep breathing in and out. Come up and repeat. This inverted movement helps in lymphatic drainage and maintains the glow, providing all the oxygen and nutrients to the skin, enhancing the blood flow. Now make a fist like this and glide the back of your thumb starting from the corner of your mouth to the front of your ears. You will feel an instant tightness and firmness in the skin, which makes it harder for the skin to wrinkle or sag. Repeat the movement on your jaw, glide and move up. Place your index and middle finger on your chin, lift and glide towards your temple and repeat. That was all for today. Share your experience in the comment below, like and subscribe to the channel. I thank you and appreciate all of you for watching this video. Bye.